Thank you for watching Lango News channel.
Anaha wano donye office amedo ngoda ho hangwen ni ginoro amepo meeting the 30% amobedo mea LC's na City West. So council resolving me that money must be remitted with immediate effect. So that will duty temerity. So that is resolutions of council. Then Mario report ameoya word from the same executive to the finance committee. Tia Kobone City Council peolo will check maybe Adyel Children's Park and City West Petty in the know. Ameote quoting check Kamemanti under section 80, 81 to 83. Amemio clearly user department Mabere City West Division. Twero me katuke the well Amemire me kede. Eto mandushu Germany otimere without the notice of institution Lira City West. So executive to the finance committee are making that recommendation to the council, and we had council resolve me that contract be terminated. Copy and pay me a the check because City West Division as an independent council is not aware of the German Gia Mobedo Children's Park. Yes.
About no council resolution.
Council meo were both technical staff, the town clerk, to implement the lawful council resolutions. So council meo gero hocha may implementing apore neno ne joti to yo may ginger come because of a parking amenu lori to parking kun council to gazetting parking here they make toke down in the road parking. Yet because of corruption I met here Jomoro Petia here because that is where they eat from. So council has given a go ahead to the technical team with the enforcement to implement with immediate effect. So we wait to see how the time and when they will implement this, but council has given them with immediate effect. So meaning even tomorrow they can start implementing. Under section Kaone Council it has got the highest political authority within its areas of jurisdiction. Manti under section 9. So council has done their part. So it is now the technical team to do the implementation, since it is a lawful resolution of the council. Yes. Okay.
Thank you for watching Lango News channel. Please subscribe for more updates.